Welcome to Excel Basics session number 1. I will be using Excel to show you how to build a simple financial tracker. I'll begin by typing in what I plan to track. So I have my groceries, my rent, and finally my fun, because we can't forget about that. Gonna call this my items. And I want to track just the first quarter for the purposes of simplicity. So I'm going to just type in the 3-letter month. And as I click on the cell and hover to the right, you notice that the plus sign appears. If I drag to the right, Excel automatically autofills the preceding months. Alright, now I'm going to actually type in my dollar amounts for each. So there we go. And for my rent, I had no change in rent for the past 3 months, so I'm just going to drag again, similar to what I did before, to the right. And it carries the same amount to the right. Finally, for my fun, I was very good for January and February, and oh my goodness, in March I went a little crazy. It must have been St. Patty's Day. Alright, so now I want to actually discern that this is a dollar amount, so I want to actually change the formatting. I'm going to highlight this and under the Home tab, click on the currency amount, the dollar sign there. Depending on the area, you could select different currencies. Okay, so now you notice Excel has these grid lines here. If I was to print this document, I would not see these grid lines. So if you want to explicitly show the grid lines, you have to select a border. So I'm going to highlight the data here, and under the Home tab again, I'm going to select all borders. And for the outer edge, I want to get a thicker border, so I'm just going to put thick box border. Right, now I want to actually add a header to my spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do now is insert a row. If I highlight this row and then right click, I can insert a row automatically. Or if I click on any cell here, right click, insert an entire row, same thing happens. And the third way I can do this is under the Home tab, I can go insert sheet rows. There you have it. Alright, so in cell F2, I'm going to type in my title, My Financial Tracker 2014. Now I want to actually center this information, and there's a really easy way to do this in Excel. So I'm going to highlight the cells here and click on the Merge and Center button. This actually merges the cells together and centers the information within the cells. I'm going to change the font. I'm not very happy with that one, so I'm going to see what we have out here. Let's see. There we go, Verdana. Okay, I'm going to select that one and size 14, and I'm going to bold it. There we go. Alright, now this is pretty black and white. I actually want to give a little color to this to make it pop, so I'm going to select something from my header here. Let me see. I'm going to go with a green. Now the color of money kind of goes with that. And let me see. Let me actually get these to kind of match so that it has a cleaner look. So I'm going to select a pattern, a theme color here. I'm going to go with that green, and I'm going to go with white, and I'm going to bold it. There we go. Alright, we're almost done. Just a simple thing here. The grid lines are nice to have, but if you don't want to actually see them and want a cleaner look, you can get rid of them. And the best way to do it is click on View tab and unclick the grid lines. There we go. So there you have it. This is a simple financial tracker. If you have any questions, please respond to my YouTube video, and I'm more than willing to help you with any questions that you may have. Thank you so much.